Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the review carousel block to create fantastic customer reviews in Gutenberg. Let's go. To start, let's add a new block space below the text content here, and then click on the space. Type /, type review carousel there, and then select the review carousel block from the quick block menu. From the options, you can switch between the preset styles to make your review content layout more creative and stunning. There are 4 of them right now, and all of them can make your reviews stand out. Also, you can toggle these buttons to show or hide elements from the carousel, suitable for customizing your content. And the last section here is the carousel options. In this section, you can switch between the transition effect from carousel to overflow. While the carousel is like a straight canvas, the overflow is tilted and creates a stunning visual effect. For both effects, you can choose the number of columns to show your reviews. By default, it's 3, and you can increase or decrease the amount to match it with your theme. After that, you can adjust the column gap for the items, as well as change the speed of transition right there. So, try for yourself to get a nice balance in visuals. Apart from these, there are some buttons at the bottom that help users turn on/off some of the carousel features. Such one feature is autoplay, which is turned off by default. By turning it on, you can set autoplay delay and make the transition pause on cursor hover. Or you can choose to show navigation for the carousel, which makes it easier for users to navigate back and forth. Also, you can decide to turn off pagination if you like. And the last section here lets you customize the navigation. How? Just turn on the button there, then you can customize the navigation icons. Alright, let's go back to the preset 1 style. Now, on your left, you can look into the list view and click on the review carousel item to expand it. What you are seeing are the child items, which means each of these child items is a review item. And by clicking over each one, you can customize the content. So go ahead and click on one. Then proceed to change the avatar image. Then start editing the thumbnail image resolution and image fitting, as well as the reviewer's name, designation, message, and rating star. Also, you can add a custom link to the actual review site in case it's on a different platform. ZoloBlocks just made it so easy for you. And just like that, go ahead and finish customizing all items. Again, select the parent item, which is the review carousel block, and now go inside the Style tab. This time, we will customize the appearance of the block content. The first section is the Items section, and here, you can start by customizing the content alignment first. After that, you can add a custom border around the review items by selecting border type, width, and color. Also, you can round the corners of the items by changing the border radius values. Then comes the padding, which you are free to adjust to properly space the content inside. Plus, there's a box shadow option below, and with it, you can easily add customized shadows behind the items. Also, you can change the background colors of the review items like this. Then let's jump into the name section. Here, start with the typography option first. After that, change the font color to white for both normal and hover instances, but reduce opacity a bit for hover. And check this out real quick. Alright, now do the same thing inside the designation section down there. Again, repeat the steps in the review text section. Next is the rating section. Go ahead and change the colors to white. You can also adjust the size of the stars. Then comes the navigation section. Here, let's change the width of the navigation arrows first, followed by the height and then the horizontal offset settings. You can also play with the border and border radius controls here, not forgetting the icon size. In the case of the border, you can just go for white or any color you want. Then down below, let's change the navigation background color, as well as the icon color. After that, let's head inside the pagination section. Here, you can adjust the pagination spacing like this. Also can use the bottom spacing control. After that, you can change the width of the pagination, followed by the height and border radius settings. And these changes can make a different pagination style. You can also change the pagination color. Yes, that one named background here. Also, the controls allow you to customize the active pagination separately to add more style to your content. The same settings are available here as well, so feel free to customize it here. Oh, we almost forgot about the photo. In this section, you can change the height and width of the avatar images. How about adding a border around the images? That would add more vibe to it, of course, followed by border radius and padding. Oh, and you can also change the image background color, and the color should be visible, as long as the image doesn't fill the whole space itself. Then just do some fine-tunings here and there. And you have a nice review carousel for your audience. But wait, there's more. You can also select individual list items and customize the style of it. So while customization on the parent works for all, you can also make changes to individual items. Making a completely awesome showdown with your review carousel. And we also have some ready patterns to inspire your creativity more. Check these out. And yes, you can do all of these too with ZoloBlocks. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon!